How to delete your Facebook account on Android. This tutorial takes you through the full permanent deletion process and everything to consider before you confirm. First, open the Facebook app on your Android device and tap the three lines at the top left. After that, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy, then tap on Settings. From there, scroll down and tap on Account Center. Right here, tap on Manage Accounts at the bottom. Next up, tap on Manage right beside your Facebook account. Moving on, tap on Deactivation or Deletion. From here, select your account from the list if you have multiple Facebook accounts. After that, select Delete Account, the second option, then tap Continue. Following this, you'll see a notice that any pages you manage will also be permanently deleted. Keep that in mind before moving forward. Next, select your reason for deleting and tap Continue. From here, tap Continue Deletion and take a moment to read through the detailed page that appears. Moving on, from this page, you can choose to keep Messenger active after deletion, export all your information before everything is wiped, and review any apps you've logged into using Facebook. After that, once you're ready, tap Continue and enter your password on the next page to confirm. Finally, keep in mind that you have a 30-day grace period after confirming. If you change your mind, you can still log back in and cancel the deletion before your account is permanently gone. Hope this helped you out. If it did, give it a like, subscribe for more Facebook tutorials, and tap the bell for updates. See you in the next one.